Hello and welcome to the Virtual IT Learning. In this video, we will have a walkthrough of downloading and installing VM VirtualBox, and inside the VirtualBox, we will install and run the VM Linux on a Windows 10 computer. VM VirtualBox and Linux are open source software and available for free. Following are few details about this video. Let's get started. Type VM VirtualBox in Google search window. It will show the VM VirtualBox option to select. From the search result, click on Oracle VM VirtualBox option. From the VirtualBox download page, click on Download VirtualBox. The next option to select is the platform. Since we are going to install the VM on a Windows computer, so click on Windows host. This will start the download process. Once the download is complete, access the downloaded file from Windows downloaded folder. Double click on it to start the installation. Click on Next button and leave the options as is on the next screen. Leave all options as is. You can choose to create shortcuts or uncheck the options which is not required. Click on Next and wait for the installation to complete. The installation is complete. Click on Finish to finish the installation. Once the installation is complete, it will create a VM VirtualBox icon on the desktop. Double click on it to start the VM VirtualBox. This is the main page of VM VirtualBox. On this page, we will need to import the Linux VM OVA file, which we have already downloaded from Oracle. Oracle Linux is also available for free. To start the import process, click on File and select Import Appliance. Browse through the OVA VM file and click on Open. Click on Next and click on Import. The import process will take a few minutes to complete. Once the import is complete, click on Start button to start the machine. This will start the Linux machine and show the login page. The machine is now starting up. This is the login page. On the login page, log into the Linux session using Oracle's default password. Enter Oracle password. After logging into the Linux session, you will see the desktop screen. The first time you log into the session, it may show a dialog box to switch to the full screen mode in VirtualBox. If you want to switch to the full screen mode, press Ctrl key on the right side of the keyboard and F simultaneously to enter into and exit from full screen mode. On the Linux desktop screen, you can now start the Linux session. To start the Linux session, right click on desktop screen and select an open terminal. This is the Linux terminal window. In the Linux terminal window, you can increase or decrease the font size of Linux session. To increase the font size, press Ctrl, Shift and plus, a combination of 3 keys like this. And to decrease the font size of Linux session, press Ctrl and minus, a combination of both keys. At this point, we will close the Linux session or terminal window. To close the terminal window, type exit at command prompt And to shut down the Linux VM machine, select File and Close option. This will shut down the VM machine and bring you back to the VirtualBox window. Thanks for watching the module 1 of this series. In the next lesson, we will get started with Linux learning. Thank you.